I'm here at my new place, my empty apartment. I came, I came here to do an empty apartment tour, whatever it is. So my new place is a self-contained. It's like a shoebox, very tiny, teeny weeny shoebox, self-contained. It has a kitchen and it has a bathroom and toilet together, as every self-contained is almost all. Well, so yeah, now that's my bag hanging there, my everyday bag. So I'm going to show you the apartment from the entrance into the rest of the house. Let's go. So this is the veranda, and I still using for storage for stuff, in bucket and whatnot. Something painted. It's a new house. And then this is the room when you come in. This is the entrance wall. Floor. One of the things that I'm concerned about is how low the ceiling is. The ceiling is really low. And that's the entrance. And this is the whole space. Like I said, they're still using this space as storage. The landlord. And so I'm moving. So when you walk in, the first door leads to the restroom. I like the tiles. Has this subway-ish thing. Looks like the subway restroom kind of tiles. I never been to a subway, so I don't know. I just heard somebody talking about tiles like this in a house tour I've watched 1,001 house tours. Yeah, that's the ceiling, light bulb, shower, tiny hand wash basin, wash hand basin, and pink tap. Here we go, white tap, floor, toilet seat. This other wall is very small. I'm not tall, but I can even reach both ways. Nearly reach both ways. See me reaching. And I also don't like this door. Why is it blue? As no white. This is the light switch wall. I think that I might want to place my mirror here. I don't know. Or here. Mine. I don't know yet. Then this is the kitchen. I don't know if I'm doing justice with this my recording. I've been filming. There are no countertops. I brought these things from my house because I want to use them. Alright, there's just this tiny sink, no furniture. I'm not even tall and I can almost reach the ceiling. A very tall person cannot enter this kitchen. let me say like somewhere that is up to 6 feet. It's for brave people.
Yeah, so basically, this is all there is.
Okay, I don't know how I feel. It's just a lot of emotions for me. Somehow I feel like I'm making the wrong decision. I feel like I might not be able to sustain it. I feel like I might not like this place. I don't know. I feel like things are going to be difficult for me, but if I don't try, how will I know? And yeah, I think that I'm really grateful for the opportunity to have my own space because I've always wanted my own space. I have always wanted to have my own place, but I've never had the opportunity and I've never really been intentional about it. But then I was always skeptical about leaving my folks. But then now, here we are. So I'm just hoping that you guys come along with me and we will see how it goes. Okay, fingers crossed.